Michelle Pasco-Solito, and I'm in my back office of My Lead System Pro, and I am about to add one of these application tabs here to our fan page to start driving traffic. They now have the 810 pixels wide capture pages, so I'm going to show you real quickly how to take care of that. So if you have the Platinum membership, you just come in under My Websites, go to MLSP, Facebook Applications. Then we're going to come down here, we're going to add a new application. And what we're going to need to do is select one of these that say 810. So we've got one down here. I've already done the social media mastery one. Now we're going to do the sponsoring secrets. So that's the one we're going to do. You can always preview the design right here just by clicking on that, and you can take a look at what it's going to look like. So we need to name this. I'm going to call it Sponsoring Secrets Facebook Tab. That's just for you, and then you need to make sure that you attach it to your MLSP autoresponder. Now we need to put the Facebook application ID. So in order to do that, we're going to have to come over to Developers down here at the bottom, go up here to the right where it says Applications, and now we're going to create a new application right here, and we're going to need to name this. So we're going to call it Sponsoring Secrets Facebook Tab. And nothing else needs to be done here. Nothing here, just keep it English. Don't worry about checking this box, and we're going to click Continue. And from here, we're going to enter in the CAPTCHA code and click Submit. Now what's going to happen is it's going to process over to another page, and we're going to need to get some information off of this page. The very first thing that we're going to need to grab is this application ID. We're just going to copy it, go back to MLSP, and paste it right here. And we need to get rid of those spaces, and we're going to click Add a New Application. Now, since that's already loaded up, we need to go back down here and find it, which is, here's what I named it, Sponsoring Secrets Facebook Tab. We're going to click on that, and notice there is a Canvas callback URL. We're going to grab that and copy it. We're going to come back over to the Developers application, and down under the Page tab, we're going to open that up, and we're going to paste that Canvas URL there, and we're going to paste it there, and we need to, under the one where it says, I'm sorry, let's back up. Not there, but right here, and then in the secure URL, we're going to paste it. Now we need to add an S to the HTTPS. Alright, so now this Page tab is just HTTP, the secure tab is HTTPS. Just make sure that you take care of that part. Now we need to name the page tab. So we're going to call it Sponsoring Secrets. And then what you want to do is you want to add an image here, because that's what's going to show up on your fan page. So I'm just going to come over here and type in Sponsoring Secrets up here in Google, and let's just see if there's already images out there. And it looks like there are a few out here. You know, you might want to use this one. Let's see. This one isn't very square, so we want to find something that's going to be square. Like this one would be a great one right here. Alright, so let's just click on that, and we're going to grab that one right here. Here it is. Okay, so I'm just going to use a program called Jing, J-I-N-G. And I'm going to capture this image like this. And I'm going to click the button there, and then I'm going to edit in another program called Snagit. Now Snagit is a paid program. You can do a free trial on it. It's not very expensive to buy. So if you want to do these red borders like I'm doing right now, it's a great program to use. So I'm going to go ahead and add, actually I'm going to do the green border to make it stand out, because that really, maybe let's try the orange. Orange doesn't stand out as good. Let's try some different colors. No, let's go with green. I like the green. We're going to have to undo some stuff here. All right, there we go, green. So I'm just going to save it to my hard drive, Sponsoring Secrets. Save it to my desktop. Click Save. And we're going to go back to the Developers application, and we're going to upload that by clicking on this Change button. And here's where we're going to choose the file, and we know we've already saved it to the hard drive, and it's going to upload it now. And so after you do that, you're going to need to come up to this apps domain section and type in mlmleadsystempro.com. No HTTPS or anything like that. Okay, so after you upload the image here, what you're going to want to do is make sure that you opened up the website with Facebook login and add in https://MLM Lead System Pro. And after you do that, you want to click Save the Changes, come back over to Facebook and add the custom tab to your Facebook page by clicking in this section here. Now here's where you're going to see a drop-down box where you can come down and find the fan page that you want to add this to. So I'm going to add this to my fan page and the Michelle and Bill Pascosolido fan page. And we're going to click right here, Add the Page tab. So once you have done that, come back to your fan page, type it in up here at the top, and make sure that it's there. So if I come over to our fan page, I can use this little arrow button here, come all the way down and find it, which it's right here. Now I can click on this little pencil icon here, and I can exchange out, meaning I can move this box up here if I wanted to, over here or over here. So what I can do is find the tab that says click here or outsourcing secrets and switch that around. So now that tab is moved here. Or I can come up here if that's not where I want it. Click right there if I don't want it there. And I can just keep moving it till I get it to the place that I want to. So right now it's in this section here, but I obviously want to move it up to here. So that's all you have to do, and once we click on this, you can see right here that new site application tab is right here, ready for you to start driving traffic to. Now I would suggest that you make sure that you go ahead and test it to make sure that it works and that it's going to the page that it's supposed to go to and that you've generated the lead. So that's all you have to do to create this application tab so you can start driving traffic to it and start making sales. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I'm sure MLSP will be bringing out more of these 8-10 pixels wide landing tabs, and I look forward to talking to you then. Bye-bye.